Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy BLUAI token on Binance Alpha. As you know, BLUAI just get listed on Binance Alpha, and maybe in the future it will list on Binance Spot. So maybe this is the opportunity, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. So let's get started. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search BLUAI like this, and you will find it on Alpha tab here. You can click it, and this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's not really good. So but maybe there's an opportunity. So you can also check the details by clicking info here in the top. And then as you can see, there is 24-hour high low in the volume. Also you can check their website or their social media. You can also check their audit here. You can read it, and yeah, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put the price you want to buy here like this, and also you can choose the amount here. And then you can choose instant buy by click instant here. You can swap your USDT or other token to BLUAI. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.